Everyone, welcome to the 3 Minute Math YouTube channel where we go over the solutions to contest math problems in 3 minutes or less. Our next problem is from 2005 AMC test, question number 6. The average of 20 numbers is 30, and the average of 30 other numbers is 20. What is the average of all 50 numbers? So the average is found by taking the total of all numbers there and then dividing by the number of numbers. So if the average of these 20 numbers is 30, that means that the total of these numbers, this set over here, is going to be 20 times 30, which is going to be 600. And if the average of 30 other numbers is 20, that means that the total is 30 times 20, which is also 600. Which means that the total of all 50 numbers, is 1200. And therefore, to find the average, we can just take the total, divide by the number of numbers to get 24 as our final answer, which means that B is our final answer.